probably seen this before. A massive truck with some of its tires not even touching the ground. It looks wrong, almost like something is broken. But it's not. Why would a truck have wheels that it's not even using? Is it a design flaw, a mistake, or just a waste of tires? Most people assume those extra wheels are useless or that the truck is partially damaged. But the truth is, those wheels are incredibly important. Those unused wheels are called lift axles, also known as tag axles, and they're designed to be raised and lowered on purpose. When a truck is carrying a heavy load, those extra wheels are lowered to the ground. This spreads the weight across more tires, reducing pressure on each one, and that matters a lot. Too much weight concentrated on fewer wheels can damage roads, bridges, and highways. By adding more contact points, trucks protect the infrastructure they drive on. In many places, there are strict laws on how much weight each axle can carry. Lift axles help trucks stay within those limits, avoiding fines and penalties. But when the truck isn't carrying much weight, those extra wheels are lifted off the ground. Why? Because keeping them down would create unnecessary friction. More tires on the road means more resistance, and more resistance means more fuel consumption. By lifting the axle, the truck becomes more fuel efficient. It also reduces wear and tear. If those extra tires stayed on the road all the time, they'd wear out much faster. Lifting them helps extend their lifespan. There's another big advantage: maneuverability. Fewer wheels on the ground means less resistance when turning, making the truck easier to control. In many trucks, the driver can control when the axle goes up or down. Some systems even do it automatically, based on the weight of the load. So those unused wheels, they're only lifted when they're not needed, and lowered when they are. What looked like a mistake is actually smart engineering. Now you know.